Everyone thinks the best-selling sliding glass door security bar is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Ace Mining Sliding Door Security Bar. The Ace Mining Sliding Door Security Bar caught my eye right away with its sturdy build and impressive claims. Priced at just $16.99, it's labeled a bestseller for a reason. If you want robust protection without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This bar can withstand up to 300 pounds of force, which means it's not just a flimsy piece of metal. You can use it on both sliding doors and windows, making it versatile for various needs. Plus, with over 1,400 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, many users seem satisfied with its performance. The adjustable length from 20.5 to 50 inches means it can fit a variety of door sizes, making it easy to install with just a simple push-button method. Now, some people complained about the difficulty in adjusting the length smoothly. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it becomes straightforward. So if you're someone who struggles with complicated installations, this might take a minute to master. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly yet effective security solution. Skip this one if you prefer a more permanent installation that doesn't require adjustments. Product number 2, Ace Mining Upgraded Door Security Bar. Next up is the Ace Mining Upgraded Door Security Bar, priced at $23.99, and it stood out to me for its heavy-duty design. If you're looking for something a bit more reliable for your home or hotel, this one deserves your attention. This bar operates on a simple lever system and can handle an astonishing 400 pounds of force. That's like an NFL linebacker trying to break in. It adjusts from 21 to 46 inches, making it perfect for a wide range of doors or even while you're traveling. With over 11,200 reviews and a 4.7-star rating, this bar is gaining traction for a reason. It's super easy to deploy and offers you peace of mind instantly. Now, some users pointed out that it's not 100% effective in high-pressure situations. But here's the deal, it buys you valuable time to react or escape, and that's really all you can ask for from a security bar. This is perfect for those who travel frequently and want a lightweight, portable option. Skip this one if you're looking for something designed to withstand extreme force all the time. Product number 3, Rerisham Door Security Bar. The Rerisham Door Security Bar is next, priced at $36.99, and it really caught my attention with its dual-pack offer. If you're looking for comprehensive protection, this could be what you need. This bar features an adjustable length from 17.5 to 46 inches, meaning it can fit almost any door. Plus, it can withstand pressures up to 400 pounds, which is truly impressive. With a 4.7-star rating from over 3,200 users, people appreciate its sturdiness and ease of use. No installation needed, just unpack and set it up. However, some people found it a bit too heavy for travel. Honestly, if you're looking for something lightweight to carry around, this might feel cumbersome. But if you want solid security at home, this is not a deal breaker. This is perfect for homeowners who want a robust solution without installation hassles. Skip this one if you need something ultra-portable for travel. Product number 4, Ideal Security Sliding Door Security Bar. Now let's talk about the Ideal Security Sliding Door Security Bar, which is priced at $28.99. This one stood out due to its child-proof lock feature. If you have children or pets, this could be a great option for you. It's designed to be a reliable visual deterrent, and with a 4.5-star rating from 7,100 reviews, many appreciate its sturdy build that screws directly into the framework, ensuring it won't budge. However, some users mentioned it's tricky to install due to the screws involved. Here's the thing, once you get it set up, you won't have to worry about it coming loose, unlike pressure-mounted alternatives. This is perfect for parents needing a secure solution for sliding doors. Skip this one if you prefer a more temporary setup without screws. Product number 5, BBCom Sliding Door Security Bar. Lastly, we have the BBCom Sliding Door Security Bar, priced at an appealing $16.19. I found this one interesting due to its portability. If you travel a lot or just need something lightweight, this is worth considering. This bar adjusts from 17 to 50 inches, which is great for various door sizes. With a rating of 4.6 stars from 1,900 reviews, many users love how easy it is to set up without any tools. Just extend, place it in the track, and you're good to go. Some buyers expressed concerns about it being less robust than heavier models. Honestly, if you're looking for a primary security measure, this may not be ideal. But if you want something to give you peace of mind while traveling, it serves that purpose well. This is perfect for travelers or those needing a quick security fix. Skip this one if you need a more permanent solution. So there you have it, each of these bars offers something unique. The Ace Mining sliding door security bar is a budget-friendly option, while the upgraded version provides extra strength. Ririsham offers a dual pack for comprehensive security. Ideal Security has child-proof features, and BBcom is perfect for travel. Depending on your needs, one of these should really fit the bill.